In 1990s, palace was acquired. The value was 11 crores, that's all, at that time. Now, it is acquired by government. Now they went to court. Maharaja family, they went to court. Finally judgment has not come. For widening of road, Supreme Court directed to give 3,500 acres for 15 acres. 15 acres. In 90s, total value of acquisition is just 11 crores. Now, cabinet will take decision. For 15 acres, 3,500 acres. This is public money. BJP, People's BJP party, BJP leader, they are all liars. A bunch of liars joined in BJP. Even at the time of BJP also, they have given money for minority. They have given money for minority also.